What's up, everyone on YouTube? I just want to do a quick update on something that I recently got in the mail for my car. You're gonna notice that my voice is different. I'm sick. We got a RSV, which is a respiratory virus. We're good. We're pretty much in the end of the sickness. But anyway, wanted to show you guys a quick update of what I got. I got some hub-centric wheel spacers. No, baby. Spacers, and yeah, I want to lift my car later, and doing this will allow me to use my OEM wheel, and I plan on just using my OEM wheel and OEM spec wheels only. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys on me installing these real quick. I'm in the process of preparing the hub for the wheel spacer, so it was pretty rusty on the hub itself. So what I was doing is just sanding it with a 100 grit sandpaper. This may be too gritty, you know. I think something like 300 will be fine, but I mean, this will suffice. I mean, it will do the job. These rotors are pretty old. I can feel that they may have like a small bit of wear, but they're still perfectly fine for like a good while. All I got to do, maybe if I want to worry about that, is just replace the pads. But I mean, pads are good anyway. For wheel spacers, what you have to do is you have to prepare the surface. Right now I'm going to use a brake cleaner and make sure any like dust from the rust is removed, and then I will apply the wheel spacer on here. Okay, I installed the spacers in the front. I cleaned the surface on this side. The spacer was brand new, so I just wiped it on my sweater, the outside, but I mean, it's brand new out of the package, so I had nothing to worry about on the spacer side. I use blue thread locker. I do not have a torque wrench, so I just I tightened the bottom, not all the way, but I tightened it. Then I tightened this one, you know, in the square pattern. You have to square it off when you tighten. Then I tightened them up until I couldn't tighten them. I mean, it may be like at least 100 foot-pounds of torque, which is not good. Which I hoped I've only had a torque wrench, but I'm about to put the wheels on in the front. Let me show you this other side. And this one's already done as well. So let me just put on the wheels in the front, and I'll lower the car so I can see how nice it looks. Stop, Reed. What are you doing? Stop. Guys, well, the rear spacers are on. Let me just show you guys what I've been doing. So now I'm prepping the rear rims. I just scuffed the rear, removed all the rust. This was after I cleaned it, removed the rust with the sandpaper, and then I wiped it down with a rag, which was a sock. So I wiped that down, and now it's nice and ready to mate with the surface of the wheel spacer. And this one I have not cleaned, so you can see the difference. So as you can see, there's a lot of buildup of rust on the spacer of the rim itself. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna hook this one up over here in the rear, this one over here, and then I'll show you guys how the spacers look on the car. Okay guys, well, this is the CRV spacers added. Looks a little funny with these crappy tires, but it's all good. And just remember to tighten the spacers and the lug nuts to spec. For a CRV, it's 80 foot-pounds of torque. And I do not so yeah, anyway, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks cool, but this is just for future upgrades for a lifted look, and taking it out to actually like overland, maybe like once or twice, only like in the summer, maybe one time in the winter in the snow for me and my family. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show a video of before and after in the rear, so you'll see the transitions and you'll see how it looks like different. All right guys, peace. Let me know what you think. Subscribe and comment. Let me know if I can help you guys, and I'll leave it in the description down below. I'll leave a link to the exact spacers that I got from the website. Bye.
expensive.